Good afternoon. We've had a few changes. I've not had a video for a long time because my partner's been ill. So we've had to have a few changes. The little girl that was here during the summer, Pipa, has now come back to me permanently. But yesterday the introduction didn't go too good. So at the moment she's up here and separate from the others. And we will try again later. Hey Pipa? Pippa's enjoying some grass. They're all enjoying some grass at the moment. There we are, now you can see them. All enjoying some grass. And Astrid as well. Okay. I will be posting more videos in the future. It's just difficult at the moment, but I will. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.